This Piper PA31 325 Navajo CR is a rare bird for us. It is not wrecked. It fell off the jacks during maintenance, causing a static prop strike and sort of twisting the airframe on one side, but the rest of the airplane is immaculate. It's here for disassembly, and we're going to have a laundry list of Piper Navajo parts ready for shipping. Now this Piper PA46 350P Malibu Mirage had a fuel problem that forced it to land off airport in a field, and it did some pretty good damage to the airframe, but the interior is going to be in fantastic condition. Now the PT6A engine does have a prop strike, but it will be available very soon. If you need parts for your Malibu Mirage, now's the time to call us. This Beachcraft S35 Bonanza with its iconic V-tail was taken out when the hangar collapsed from hurricane force winds. It's arrived here in our hangar at BAS and it's in the process of being disassembled. We're parting out a Beachcraft King Air B90. This King Air comes to rest in our hangar after an engine issue on one of the two engines grounded her for good. Now this aircraft spent its glory years in the skydiving world, so it does not have a full interior, but it does have a nifty skydiving roll-up door and platform all on one STC. And there's still a treasure trove of valuable parts waiting to be salvaged, from avionics to airframe components to landing gear and all sorts of good stuff. And we also have both engines and both props. Neither are prop struck, but one engine does have some issues. Call us quickly if you need some Beachcraft King Air parts. We've got them shipping today.